how to use Printful with Etsy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Printful with Etsy to run a successful business online, to sell your products using Etsy. So let's get started. When it comes to Etsy, Etsy is an online platform that allows us to create our online store, and we can sell products such as craft, and we can sell clothing and shoes, home and living, accessory and jewelry, everything related to this on Etsy. And Printful is a platform that allows us to create a print-on-demand product. We can create phone cases on Printful, we can create pillowcases, blankets, clothing, whatever we want really easily for free. So we use Printful with Etsy and we create products and then sell them on Etsy. So it's really easy. Let's jump into the process. So first, what you have to do is you will go to printful.com and you have to simply sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for printful.com. Once you sign up, this is your main dashboard and you're going to go to stores. So we have to connect our Etsy to our Printful. All right, so connect or create your online store. So I'm going to click on choose a platform. All right, so we have different platforms available. We have Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and then we have Gumroad, ShipStation, Amazon, and others. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on connect right here to Etsy because we want to add Etsy to our Printful. So once you are here, then we have this tutorial, but of course I'm showing you how to do that. So the first option is click the connect to Etsy button below. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so it will open up Etsy for us. Now we have to sign in to our Etsy account. Or if you do not have an Etsy account, what you can do is you can register right now. So I'm going to show you, if you do not have an Etsy account, how you can register. It's really easy. Enter your email address right here. Then you have to enter your first name and then your password. Okay, so it will open up your Etsy for you. I have signed in. If you initially sign up or you sign into your Etsy, this is where you will get. All right, so now we have connected our Printful to our Etsy. That's how easy it is. Now what we can do is we can create products and then add our products to Etsy. That's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the product templates right here. Okay, so you can see that now I can create any kind of product for my Etsy. So I'm going to click on create new, and from here I'm going to choose an accessory because these kind of product actually do pretty good on Etsy as compared to clothing and something else. So we have bags, and then we have keychains, face mask, and then we have necklaces, earrings, and stuff. So I'm going to create a necklace and I'll show you how we can create this amazing product on Printful and then add them to our Etsy. So you can see we can create a customized necklace on Printful. So it's going to be a print on demand and it's really good, guys. We can create our free business. You can just get an idea what I'm doing here, right? I will create a design, or I can actually list my store right here and I can say that I can create a necklace for you, your customized necklace print on demand, right? So I will create the product from Printful and then we can just list the product on Etsy. So you can see we have this one, engraved silver bar chain necklace, and now I can add a design to it if I want. So I'm going to go to design and I'm going to add a text. So the text will say believer. Okay, this is going to be the text, and I'm going to change the font of my text. And you can see we have this one right here. I will go with one that will look actually pretty good, and we can choose any kind of font. Make sure to go with the font that actually looks good on your necklace. So you can see this one actually looks really good, and I know once it's engraved it's gonna look really nice. Then we have this one as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. This one looks really good. So the price for this one is $19.95 to $24. So this is going to be the price, and it's pretty good. And now I can add transformations, positions, and I can zoom in, zoom out, place it wherever I want it to be, and I can do more changes to it. If I go to the product right here, we can also choose the colors for our necklace right here. So we have this silver color, then we have rose gold, gold coating, and then we have this one right here. So of course the pricing for these will increase. So you can see these actually look pretty good. So I'm gonna go with silver and the gold coating as well. This looks really good for Etsy. I'm gonna click on continue and my product will be created. Once my product is created on Printful, then I will simply add it to my Etsy. All right, so it's called engraved silver bar chain necklace. I'm gonna keep the same name, or we can actually add the name as well. So I'm gonna go with Believer engraved silver bar chain necklace. Okay, so the product is this, print file is going to be this. So I'm gonna click on save product template, and then you can see the price right here, and my new product will be created. So you can see this is my product. I'm going to click on add to store, and it will open up my Etsy store for me. Make sure that you have a store on Etsy as well if you do not know how to create a store on Etsy. So you can create your own store by clicking on sell on Etsy, and then you can create a store really easily. So once you have a store on Etsy, then once your product is created, you're going to click on add to store. The product will be listed on Etsy, and you can list that product on Etsy, and then Etsy has a large audience, and people will simply buy the product, order the product from you, and you will sell it and make money. So that's easy it is to use Printful with Etsy and make money online. This way I can create my own business. I can list as many products as I want. I can go with different variation, and the one thing that a lot of people worry about is the quality of the product. Well, don't worry, because Printful actually has really good quality of product, and it will actually provide you what it says. So it's actually pretty good, and you will be able to run a successful business online with Printful and Etsy. I can create another product if I want, for example, in home and living, because keep in mind, when you will be using Printful with Etsy, we will have to create products that do well on Etsy. So keep that in mind, because like home and living and accessories do pretty well. So now what I'm gonna do is we can actually create wall art or like a greeting card, or whatever we want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a poster now on Printful and show you, and then I can just add it to my Etsy. So we have to select the type of poster we want to go for. So I'm gonna go with this one. And now again, what I can do is I can go with products and designs, and I can actually go with different backgrounds and quick designs, everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a background color to my poster right here, and I'm gonna go with this color right here. And now we can add any kind of art or any kind of text to our background right here that we have added. So we have like quick designs as well, and I'm gonna go with this one. So you can see this is our a quick design that I can add, and you can see it has a text, it has everything, and I can just customize it the way I want, or I can actually change a background color as well, or I can just go with this simple color and then add text too. So you will select any kind of these posters. For example, we have this one. So I have created this design right here, and now what I can do is you can see it will be sold as from $7 to $18, and I can make like up to $18 by investing zero. And I'm gonna click on continue now, and we can select the placement. Of course, it depends on what you're creating. Now it's done. I have another product to list to Etsy, and then I will be able to sell it and earn money. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use Printful with Etsy. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.